The ingredients is white bread, egg, sweetened condensed milk, mixed pudding, sugar, water, cup and mini spoon. The tools is pot, spatula, bowl, blender. And the steps: first, break the egg into the bowl. Second, put the pudding powder into the blender. Next, add the egg yolk. Then, add 2 pieces of white bread and 2 pieces of sweetened condensed milk. Add a tablespoon of sugar and 100 ml water. Then blend the ingredients that have been added. After blending, put the pudding into a fan. Put the fan on the stove. Then turn on the stove. Cook while stirring until it boils. After boiling, put the pudding into a cup. Then wait until it cools. Once cool, and close the pudding cup. Then the pudding is ready to be enjoyed.